All right, so today we're here to talk about a little bit about the research assignment we were given. And for my topic, I chose the company of Fitbit. So, Fitbit actually came to life in October of 2007, and it was a company which pretty much changed fitness technology, forever. The company became popular for its gadgets of activity trackers, and the wearable devices kept track of heart rate, steps taken, hours of restful sleep, and much more as years went on. And though their first product was known as the Fitbit tracker, the main device that really sparked their popularity, and honestly was like the focal point of the company, was the Fitbit Flex, which was released in May of 2013. Um, at first, all the technology that was released were little activity trackers that the users could just clip onto their pockets and just wear around, and then at the end of the day, they would just kind of check it and see how many steps they've taken. But as years progressed, um, they became more and more, I guess you could say, efficient, and started to turn it from what used to be a clip-on to what is worn as a watch. And with that came a bunch of different, I guess you could say, different applications and a couple of things that made them better, improved over time. So a little background of the Surge, I should say. So the Fitbit Surge was announced in October of 2014. Um, and there were a bunch of upgrades on this device. Because at first, as I previously stated, it would just count how many steps you took. But as years went on, they added more and more features. For example, with the Fitbit tracker, um, users were able to kind of track their movement, calories burned, the duration and intensity of their activities, and stuff like that. Then came the next upgrade, which was the Fitbit Ultra, where a stopwatch was added, digital clock, all that fun stuff. But when the Surge came out, that was a big push because it became like a wristwatch kind of thing. They added LED lights inside. It would tell the time. You can track heart rate. You can. Eventually, they added like GPS features so that you can track your elevation and so on and so forth. Flights of stairs that you've gone up and down. All these things really made a huge impact in the world of fitness technology because it was just, something that's never been seen before in reality. And then, boom, over a couple of years, they just started pushing out new ideas and new ideas, and then it just kept getting better and better. And then now, what started off as just like kind of like a device for fitness has been starting to be incorporated in a bunch of different ways. Like the Fitbit Surge actually became more of a smart device, meaning like they actually added a feature where users can actually look down at their watch, at their Fitbit, I should say, and it'll tell you like who's calling your phone, and stuff like that. Just really made it so that more people could be interested in the device, and not only did that help the company become more popular, but people were really starting to notice that it's a really helpful device. And not only was it being used for fun and for name brand or whatever reason, but it was also being used for social and ethical reasons. So that's just a little bit of background about the Fitbit, and yeah, there you go.